Hi, this is Mark Greenwald and I'm Eva, and we're here atop the beautiful locks at the Three Gorge Dam, and you see the mountains, and you see what they call the Golden Gate Bridge. Very nice bridge. Beautiful scenery. We took several escalators to come up here.
Over there, alright? Just turn left.
Okay.
Follow this walk path, sidewalk, turn left. I'll meet you there.
Okay, thank you.
So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you. And this is over the Yangtze, the great Yangtze River of China. There you go. So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you all over the world to see everything unique, exciting, and beautiful. Ni hao from the Three Gorges Dam and the Yangtze River. Enjoy. Well, we'll end back at the locks and the bridge. Ni hao from China.